Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. In today's video, we're making bacon cheddar jalapeno stuffed hush puppies. We hope you all enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe, you would need jalapeños, cream cheese, cheddar cheese, bacon, buttermilk, yellow cornmeal, an egg, onion, flour, salt, cayenne pepper, black pepper, baking powder, baking soda, and sugar. We're going to begin by finely dicing 2 jalapeños. After finely dicing your jalapeños, grate 1 yellow onion. Shred about 1 cup of cheddar cheese. In a bowl, add an 8-ounce pack of room temperature cream cheese, 1 pack of bacon crumbled, 2 diced jalapeños, 1 cup of cheddar cheese, and mix. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop, scoop out the mixture and roll into balls. Place the balls on a cookie sheet lined with parchment paper and freeze for 30 minutes. In a bowl, add 1 1/2 cup of yellow cornmeal, a 1/2 cup of flour, 3 teaspoons of salt, cayenne pepper, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 teaspoons of sugar, and whisk. In a separate bowl, add 1 beaten egg, 1 grated yellow onion, 1 cup of buttermilk, and mix. Next, you're going to slowly add your wet mixture to your dry mixture. Whisk and allow it 30 minutes to rest at room temperature. After 30 minutes, you're going to dip your cream cheese balls into your batter until fully coated. Preheat oil to 350 degrees. Drop your hush puppies into the oil and fry them until golden brown. And there you have it, bacon, cheddar, and jalapeno stuffed hush puppies. Thank you all for watching the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.